Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside any Office app where you're signed in. Click the circular avatar at the top right. That opens your profile menu. Once done, choose My Account or View Account to load your profile dashboard. You're doing this because Office stores images centrally and updates across apps. Make sure you use the account whose photo you want changed. If it's a work account, IT policies may restrict uploads. Now proceed to the profile picture area to update the image. Now you'll replace the image. Click the camera icon or change picture button, then pick Upload a photo and browse to your file. You should use a clear headshot, crop it to center your face, and keep file format JPG or PNG. Once you hit Save or Apply, Office begins propagating the update. Make sure to wait a couple minutes. Synchronization pushes the new image to Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint. If you have multiple accounts, repeat for each one. Finish by verifying the picture in Outlook and Teams. You should see it within minutes. If nothing changes, sign out of Office and sign back in to force a refresh or clear the Office cache on your device. This often resolves stale images. Make sure your file met size and format rules, and if your account is managed, contact your administrator because some organizations restrict profile picture edits. Once confirmed, your new image is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.